As in English, consonants circle are silent, but it must be written when writing. Today, let's learn about vowels. Hangul, like English, has vowels. Let's check out English first. As you know, there are 5 vowels in English. Likewise, Korean has 10 basic vowels. Please repeat after me. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, you, e. It's okay, you don't have to memorize yet. Hangul can also make sounds with vowels alone. For example, a, o, e. But in Hangul, in order to write out one syllable, must always combining the consonant and vowel. One syllable must always combining the consonant and vowel. However, there is a big rule. Circle must be indicated. But the vowel sound is a. The consonant becomes silent. As in English, consonants circle are silent, but it must be written when writing. In other words, in Korean, if there is a circle, it means a vowel. Let's look at another example. uyu, meaning milk. In other words, in Korean, if there is a circle, it means a vowel. Don't worry, you don't have to memorize yet. I'll see you next time. Bye.